Hey, what is up you guys? I just wanted to hop on here really fast and do like a quick 10-minute makeup routine. I am going to work some basketball games tonight and I have literally only like 25 minutes to get there, so I don't want to go looking like this, so I just wanted to put a little bit of a face on, and I just thought I would record it for you guys since I do this routine fairly often when I get ready for work in the mornings. I don't do my full face makeup. This is very helpful for me, and I just figured that if you guys could see my 10-minute routine, then it could be helpful and it could work for you too. This might be a little more than 10 minutes because I am talking, and when I do my makeup by myself, I'm usually not talking. But yes, if you would like to see how I do my 10-minute makeup routine, then please keep watching. Okay, as always, going to wipe my face off really fast. If you're doing like a 10-minute makeup in the morning before work, right when you wake up, you might not need to do this, just because if you wash your face at night and you wake up the next morning, it shouldn't be like a dirty face or anything, but I mean, you always can. I'm just doing this right now because I just got off of work and kind of been sweating and there's probably dirt, so I've noticed that if I don't use a wipe to wipe my face off before I do my makeup, I have like flakes of skin that come off, and then when you put your makeup on, it just looks very cakey, and I do not like that look, so I just try to avoid it. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. This is the primer that I've been using. That is like a newer version of this. I love both of them. This is more of a thicker product, but they both work great for me, so I do like that. The other stuff that I use, the newer version, it's a more glowy type look, so it leaves your face looking radiant. And since we're doing a quick one, I'm just not going to do like a full foundation. I'm just going to go in with this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus. It's color correcting full coverage cream. I've only used this a few times, and honestly, it's like a travel kit size. I love it. I wish it was a full size. I'm just going to apply this directly to my face. It's not the best smelling stuff, I will tell you that. I mean, it might be to some people, but I don't like the smell. I must have got this in like my Ipsy bag a long time ago when I used to get that, because that's the only reason I can think I have a travel size of it. Foundation brush, and you're just gonna blend that in really fast. Are you kidding me? I'm a child, I swear. This is why I can't have nice things. Okay, now that we have somewhat of our foundation or whatever it is on, we are not gonna conceal today. I'm not gonna bake today just because we don't have time for it. We got to get going. So we're just gonna go straight in with bronzer. And today I'm using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, and this is in the color Deep Tan. It's a matte bronzer. And I am just going to go in with my Echo Tools full powder brush. It's what I usually blend all it out. I'm just gonna go straight in with that brush. When I do my full face makeup, I use my most recent products. And when I do like my short, everyday or 10-minute makeup routine, I usually use all my older products just so they're totally not gone to waste. But yes, I still love every product that I have. I just found that I love more and have moved on from others. And definitely know that you don't have to do all the steps that I do, or if I don't do a step and you want to do it, you most certainly can. And there's just stuff I like and stuff I don't like, so yeah. And bronzer is one of them. I love bronzer, love highlight. Now I'm just gonna go in and just kind of blend all that out. Now, moving on, just gonna go in really fast and highlight our face. Today for highlight, I'm gonna be using the Carli Bybel palette. It's eyeshadow and also highlight colors. I will every single day for the rest of my life highlight my face just because I love it. I'm just gonna go in with, I don't even know what these shades are called. I don't know, I'm gonna go in with this middle color here, it's like a goldish, and just highlight my face. Just like that. Really, our face is done. Other than we have to set it. To set my face today, usually I would go in with my Laura Mercier, but I'm kind of running low on that, so I'm just gonna try and save that. But I'm gonna go in with my Becca Hydro Mist like I always do, and just make sure that this lasts through the night. Get a small layer on there. Moving on to brows. I'm just going to be taking an angled, thicker brush, going in with my Morphe palette and in the very dark black shade, just called Unevil. I'm going to just do my brows really fast. Usually when I do my brows, it takes me a good, I don't know, while. But I'm not going to be outlining them today. I'm literally just going to dip my brush maybe a few times, dab it all off, and this should be good to do, you know, quite a bit of my eyebrow. Oh my gosh, it's the second person that just called me in like a minute. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't outline my brows with a brow pencil when I do this, just because it like takes so long. I just kind of fill in the gaps and kind of make a shape with this. But yes, the longest part of this quick makeup routine is definitely going to be my brows, just because my brows are so non-existent in places. I literally have 9 minutes before I have to get to where I'm going. And like I said, you definitely don't have to do every step I do. If you don't even fill your brows in, then you can skip this step, and it is the longest step in this routine, so that will definitely be helpful. And like I said, my brows are so thin and so just like non-existent that I need this. Okay, that'll have to do because I am seriously going to be late. And then mascara. This will be the last step. And just going in with IT Cosmetics Superhero. Applying mascara to my non-existent eyelashes. It's kind of creepy to watch me put on this. It's like I roll my eyes in the back of my head. I never noticed it until I started filming. Now I'm just going to do the bottom layer really fast. Goodness. This video is taking longer because I'm going to have to clean up all my mascara. Yeah. Go in and remove all the mascara I made a mess of. Usually I'm better at this, but I don't know what it is about filming. Oh, my skin's kind of dry right down here. Then to help my oil control, since I didn't bake today, I'm just going to go in with this Profix Oil Control Fixing Spray and just spritz my face right before I leave. So, and then you gotta let it dry, and yeah, there you have it. Like your 10 to 15 tops makeup. Hope this helps some of you, or even if it just helps one person, that's made my day. Make sure you like this video if it helped you, or if you liked it, and comment down below what you want to see next, or if you have any ideas for me. I'm open to ideas. Make sure to also hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you're doing a dogs, stop. Stop, Ranger. Puppies, go eat your food. Mama's gotta go soon. Bubba, stop, man. Excuse you. If you can hear my dogs in the background, they're scratching.